Da-da-da-da-da-dun-dun.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Good Morning Mr.D. In this lesson, we are learning about farmers and farm animals. This video lesson has a worksheet that goes with it and is available on Teachers Pay Teachers for free until the pandemic ends. Links available down in the description. Farmers are very important people. They make sure we have enough food in our stores and markets. Farmers manage large fields. This is either to grow crops or feed animals. Farmers have many jobs. They have to take care of their animals, fix their machines, and make sure their crops are healthy and not eaten by pests. All of these tasks means that a farmer has to wake up early in the morning and come home late at night. The farmer has to choose what they want to farm based on the climate in the region. This is because certain plants and animals just can't survive in certain areas. Common farm animals are cows, chickens, pigs, and horses. Common crops are corn, wheat, and other vegetables such as tomatoes and potatoes. Sometimes a farm can get a special name depending on what it is growing. For example, a fruit farm is called an orchard, and a farm that grows grapes for winemaking is called a vineyard. Farmers are very important and have many jobs. They provide us with the food we buy at our supermarkets, and there are many different types of farmers. Next time you eat a yummy meal, take a minute to think about all the hard work that went into making sure all the ingredients were available for you. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like to show your appreciation. Just like there is a lot of work going into growing a carrot, there is also a lot of work going into making these videos. By liking, subscribing, and telling me what you thought about the video in the comments, you are helping me create more interesting videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next episode.